Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a mini unboxing. I've got a Chanel unboxing here and something from Moschino as well. Actually, this one was a bit of a surprise. Again, happened to just be there at the right time, I guess. As you know, Chanel and some other luxury brands, with their current collection, there are some items that are very hard to get. And because of, COVID, everything has sort of been delayed coming into the stores. And I literally so happened to walk into Chanel, and this, I actually wasn't really on my wish list. I guess it was just, I was looking for something similar, but here we go. This is actually the new holiday packaging. So it's got like more of a sparkly camellia. Here's the receipt I have here. And it's so pretty. Even the Chanel ribbon, it's got glitter all over. Just show you here, if I can. It's a clear glitter, but oh my goodness. So she wrapped it in the holiday packaging. It's so pretty. I also have a, I think this one is the microfiber cloth. And there we go. I'll just take this off. Plug it right here. So yeah, just literally happened to, I actually notified my SA about an hour and a half or maybe an hour before I decided. I was like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna come in. I had maybe an hour of spare time, so I thought I would pop in and care booklet. Ta-da! It is, oh my goodness. So this is the first time I'm actually opening it after I bought it from the store. And it is the purple iridescent mini Chanel classic case. So, oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Like the color, yeah, it does have a bit of brown in it, I find, but super unicorn, iridescent purple. Has a zipper in there, authentic card. It's made in Spain, and she literally only had this and the classic card holder, like the flat one with only, I think, probably like 4 card slots, and then in the middle you could probably put another like 2 in there, and then so you probably only have like 5 cards to put it on. This one, I thought I could actually use it for many things. I am going to show you maybe what I can put in here. Again, this is true unboxing. I have not opened it since I got it. So here we go. I have some items here that I could show you to see what I can put in there. You could probably just do like a lipstick and a chapstick in there. You can put car keys if you want. And I have this SLG I love so much. I am just, again, love. I actually don't really use my full-size wallet from Chanel. I basically, this and card keys, mask, and then I'm out the door basically in my phone. But I'm just gonna pull out some cards and I could just slot it in here. So yeah, that actually fits, a couple of cards. I don't think your phone will fit. I have the iPhone XS and it doesn't look like it'll fit with everything else in there. So again, car keys, a lipstick and a chapstick, and some cards. Actually, I can have to get that down there. And it fits. So that could be a pouch that you could just grab and go with your phone, and then mask, and then that's it basically. So I just thought this, I was actually looking for a classic, I guess they call it the O case, but this is like a mini one. I didn't want anything too big either. And yeah, and then when this came, I guess when it was at the store, I was like, you know, I have to buy this one. I also wanted to show you a comparison of the sizing. So this is the mini O case, and then this is just a regular card coin holder from Chanel. It's a classic one. And yeah, so this one is more like the beige iridescent, and then this one is like a purple iridescent one. So I just, oh my gosh, yeah, I'm loving. So that is sort of the size for it. See if I can actually put a, I don't think so. Yeah, see, no. No, it wouldn't fit. But just a little extra case for you to put, you know, your things in. You could either take it on its own, or you could add things to it and then put it into your handbag. And I just like how you can use it, again, in multiple ways. And just like I'm wearing my BCA 50T bracelet on my neck today, and how gorgeous does that look? Again, it's the 2-in-1 that I'm loving right now. So yeah, and it's, I think it's more of like a light gold hardware, but yeah, it's got a little CC there, and it doesn't have like a back card pocket holder, but I don't think they do anyways. So yeah, it's all purple inside. So for all my purple lovers out there, if you get your hands on one of these, it is a must. The color again is just beautiful. It's got, again, all depending on the lighting, it's just gorgeous. So yes, that is my little mini Chanel unboxing. I also have something from Moschino. This was basically my other item that I bought, I think my one and only item that I bought during Black Friday. One other item that I'm waiting for is from a Cyber Monday deal that I got, so I'm still waiting for that shipment. And then I also have other goodies that are coming. They're not here yet because the sales are just, some of the brands are coming out now. Valentino, Burberry, their websites, they're all having sales now, so check it out. But yeah, so this is what I got from their Black Friday sale. I actually went straight on their website because I had checked, I guess with Shop Tagger, again, not sponsored, but they didn't have the best price anywhere but the website. So this one, it comes in a box like this, and a little thank you with the return packing slip in there as well. But oh my gosh, when I saw this come out this season, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. They didn't have that many items though, so I was kind of shocked that they didn't make that many items with this logo on there, because I thought it was really, really cute. So anyways, this one was 50% off on their Black Friday shop. And oh my gosh, again, true unboxing. I've not seen it or unboxed it since, but I got this sweater. Amazing. I got this one in a size 4. It's not really supposed to be oversized. It's supposed to be, I would say fitted, but just, you know, a sweater fitted. Not super fitted, but it looks like this size 4 does fit pretty well. Again, love their like embroidery on this. It is just so cute with the big sunglasses and the teddy bear. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. They did have other colors, a gray and a pink, and I believe they had a red one too. But I just went with the classic black, just cause, you know, with the bear, it just pops right out. And definitely goes well with, you know, jeans, skirt. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's quite cute. So this top I got in a size 4 and a 38 Italian sizing. I just paired it with my wallet on a chain, some jeans, and my Dior sneakers, but definitely fits me. I'm about 5'4" in height, so yeah, I thought it would be too small to go for a 38, but I took my chance and it looks great. So definitely not oversized, a bit more fitted. But yes, so that is a small little unboxing that I'm doing today. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope everyone is doing well. Again, you know, during these times, uncertain times, we all try to embrace the sort of little things in life, right? And you know, these sort of unboxings are just a small, you know, small blessing, or just small little things that you can be grateful for. And so I just like to share it with you guys. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys are all doing well and stay healthy and stay safe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. See you.